in the census of 1974, in the census of 1940, that is earlier to 47, the census of 1940. The population, Sindhi speaking population in Karachi was 97%. And 75% of them were Sindhi Hindus. It was absolutely a Sindhi town. And there were some 400 to 500 schools, primary schools. Same was the case in Hyderabad too. Same was the case in other bigger towns, say Sakhar, Nawab Shah, Mirpur Khas, and so on. And today, in the interior of Sindh, there are some over 45,000 schools which are run by Sindh government, Sindhi medium schools. And they are on the command of central government, because education is the subject under being administered by central government and also by provincial government. But the decisions of federal government, of course, are superior. They override the decisions of provincial governments, and provincial governments are just most obedient servants of the federal government. So whatever orders they issue, they are to be implemented. In 2001, orders were issued by the central government, education department, that along with mother tongue, in primary schools, of the government even, not private schools, no, 45,000 primary schools run by government. There too, the mother tongue and English should be taught simultaneously in primary stage of education from class 1. Now, what will be the situation of Sindhi education in Sindh under these conditions? You are the best to judge about it. लतीफ़ जो बैत आहे त किजे जीअं केचन लाइ तीअं तव्हां कीअं न कयो हुए, किजे जीअं केचन लाइ तीअं तव्हां कीअं न कयो हुए, विझाए विधो विख न खई हिकिड़ी. And that wick is political. Political. Whatever cries and shouts we make, they absolutely remain without any response, as a dead wall would do. Because we don't possess any decision power with us. Out of 79 members of the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan, to begin with, Sindh had only 5 members. Only 5 members among 79 members of the Constituent Assembly. Same is the proportion, even today, of the central federal parliament and so on and so forth. So we are in a terrible minority, which was not the fate promised to us in Pakistan. In Pakistan, we were promised autonomy and sovereignty. And autonomy and sovereignty can't be given to any country or a nation unless you treat it equal with you. Equality is the precondition. Equality is the precondition of the recognition and also the observance of the status of a particular people, call them a nation or whatever you like, to remain sovereign and to remain autonomous with you in a federation. So the first step that we must take is political. We must assert and win that position in the affairs of Pakistan, in the decision-making processes of Pakistan. Then alone our problems will start getting solved. Thank you very much.
असांजे हिन सेशन जी सदारत कंदड़ इब्राहिम जो साहब जन गुफ़्तगू कई ऐं असांजी आख़िरी स्पीकर हुया। इन सां गॾु असांजो सेशन पुॼाणी ते पहुचे थो। अवां ॾाढे मुहबत ऐं ध्यान सां सभिनी खे ॿुधो। मुहबत पाए मन में रंडारो ॾिया जन तिन जो सराफ़न अण तोरियो अघायो। हींअर वठंदासीं ब्रेक, उन खां पोइ असांजो कन्वेंशन जारी आहे पर ॿियो सेशन। महिरबानी।